Hello everybody, good afternoon, namaste. It's me Mamta Rana, the basic level teachers of Noble Environment Academy. And today we are our online class, and for class 4, 5 and 6 I am going to teach about the methods of describing set. In the previous class we read about set, what is set, the definition of set, and the methods of notation of set and the elements of set that we read in our previous class. And today we are going to read methods of describing set. How to describe the set? What are the methods of describing set? And we have mainly three methods of describing set. First is listing method, second is description method, and third is set builder method. Okay students, we have three types of methods to describe the set. First is listing method, second description method, and third is set builder method. And by listing method, how we describe the set? Okay, in this method we all the elements of the set are listed inside the curly brackets and separated by comma. Okay, in the listing method all the elements of the sets are listed within the curly brackets and they are separated by comma. For example, the set of vowel sound. Yes, how to describe by listing method the set of vowel sound? Yes, A equals curly bracket A, E, I, O, U. Yes, this is the methods to describe the set by listing method. Okay, in the listing method we are using curly brackets and the elements or the members of set that should be enclosed by curly brackets and separated by comma. Okay, another example. Let's take another example. The set of even numbers less than 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, the set of even number less than 10, they are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Yes, by listing method, by using listing method, we list out the even numbers less than 10, yes, and they are enclosed by curly brackets and separated by comma. Okay, again in the listing method we list out the elements of set, yes, and we separated them by comma and enclosed by curly brackets. And now next, second method, that is description method. Okay, description method. In the description method, the elements of the set, they are described in the descriptive phrase. Okay, we describe in this method, we write the elements of set in the descriptive phrase. We do not list out the elements. Okay, and the set of vowel sound, A equals the set of vowel sounds. Yes, we describe the set here by using descriptive phrase. Okay, we describe the set in a single sentence. Okay, we do not list out here the members. We should not write here A, E, I, O, U members. We have to write the set in the single sentence, or we can say descriptive phrase. Okay, and next even numbers less than 10. We write in the descriptive phrase the set of even numbers less than 10. Yes. Here we describe the set in the description method. In description method, we use the single sentence to describe the set, or we use descriptive phrase to describe the set. Okay. And last, that is set builder method. Yes. This is different type of methods. Is little bit different. In set builder method, yes, in set builder method, we use a single variable to describe the elements of set. Okay, we do not write A, E, I, O, U, all the elements in the set builder method. Okay, we use a single variable. Yes, X, Y, Z, a single variable to describe the elements of set, and we write the property of that elements of set. Okay, and how to write? A is equal to X. This sign we give here, it is said such that X is a vowel sound. Okay, X such that X is a vowel sound. We use here this X variable to describe the elements of sets. Yes, to describe the elements of set, we use here the variable X. And what is X? Yes, to define X, we write here the property of X. X is a vowel sound. Okay, first we use here a variable X and the property of that variable. Okay, X means the vowel sound. So in set builder method, we write X such that X is a vowel sound. And next example, for the set of even number less than 10, here also we use a variable. Yes, Y. We use here Y variable to denote the elements of set. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. The set of even number less than 10, they are 2, 4, 6, 8, and we do not write that 2, 4, 6, 8 in the set builder method. Okay, we use a single variable to denote that even number less than 10. So we are using a variable Y such that, and what is Y? The property of elements, that is set of even numbers. Yes, Y is the even number less than 10. So we write the property here. So Y such that Y is even numbers less than 10. And curly bracket closed. Yes. In set builder method, we do not write all the elements. Okay? So we make a rule here. We write a variable in place of elements. Okay? Here we are going to make the set of vowel sound. Yes, A is the set of vowel sound. So we do not write here A, E, I, O, U. Okay? We write a single variable X in place of A, E, I, O, U. Yes, we do not write all the elements A, E, I, O, U. In the set builder method, we write single X, that is the variable, to denote the vowel sounds. Yes, so X and colon this means such that X is a vowel sound, and we write here X, and we have to know what is X. Yes, so at back side we will write the property of that X. What is X? We will define X at back in the set builder method. So X such that X is a vowel sound. If you are going to make the set of 7 days of a week, then you will write x such that x is a 7 days of a week. Okay. If you are going to make the set of 12 months of a year in set builder method, then you will write x such that x is a 12 months of a year. Okay, like this. And next, the set B. Set B is the set of even number less than 10. Okay, and we do not write here all the elements of even number less than 10. We do not write here 2, 4, 6, 8 in the set builder method. Okay, if you write 2, 4, 6, 8, then that will be the listing method. Yes, in listing method we write all the name of the elements. Okay, but in set builder method we do not write all the elements. Okay, we make a rule or we denote by a single variable to that elements. So we are using here y. Y is a variable to denote the elements of set B. Okay, even numbers less than 10, to denote that even number less than 10, we use the variable y. So y such that y is even numbers less than 10. At last we should write the property of that variable also. Yes, what is the y? We have to know. So we have to write here y such that y is even numbers less than 10. Okay, if you are going to make the set of odd number, then you have to write y such that y is the odd number. Okay, in set builder method we denote the elements by variable, and at the back side we write the property of that variables. Okay, I think you have understand this. Okay, thank you class. Now I will give you homeworks and you do that. Okay. Okay students, for class 4, 5 and 6, your homework, question number 1, rewrite the flowing set by using listing method. Okay, A is the set of vowel sound. Okay, write this by using listing method. B, the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. And C, the set of any 3 fruits. And D is the set of prime number from 1 to 10. Okay, and the question number 2 is rewrite the flowing sets in description as well as set builder method. You have to write this all the set by using description method as well as set builder method. Okay, the set A is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and write this by using description method and set builder method. And B, set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B, C is cow, dog and goat, and set D is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, thank you class.